AI-powered chatbots are transforming businesses, automating tasks, and providing instant support 24/7. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own chatbot from scratch, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to start building and customizing your chatbot for websites, apps, or social media. Let's get started. Before building a chatbot, the first step is to define its goal. Ask yourself, what tasks should it handle? Who is your audience? Where will it live? Example, if you run an online clothing store, your chatbot could recommend outfits, track orders, and answer shipping questions. Pro tip, write down your chatbot's goal in one sentence. Next, pick the platform that best suits your needs. For beginners, no-code platforms like Tidio, Chatfuel, and MiniChat are great. For advanced users, platforms like Dialogflow or OpenAI's ChatGPT API provide powerful AI capabilities. Pro tip, start with a no-code tool if you're new. Now, design the chatbot's conversations. Think about greetings, guided questions, and fallback responses. Pro tip, use free tools like Miro to map out conversations visually. Training your AI is what makes your chatbot smart. Steps include adding sample data, labeling it, and testing responses. Example, user asks, "Where's my order?" AI responds, "Can you share your order number?" Most platforms let you track performance and refine responses. Before launching, thoroughly test your chatbot. Checklist, test for unexpected inputs, check response time, and collect user feedback. When ready, publish your chatbot on your chosen platform. Pro tip, launch with one platform first, then expand. Once your chatbot is live, keep improving it. Track analytics, collect feedback, and optimize responses. Example, add shortcuts for frequently asked questions like refund policies. And that's it. You've learned how to create a chatbot step by step. Start simple, test often, and keep improving. Go ahead, pick a platform and start building your first chatbot today.